Another thing I find concerning is the US dollar. And we talked about this for the last several weeks. This 53 level is very important. Support in the uptrend, all of a sudden it's resistance. We had our first waterfall moment, breakdown, and they couldn't hold it. The bears couldn't hold it, and it got reversed. This is a pretty classic false breakdown. And then buyers stepped in heavily. And you got to think about this, with all the information coming out about inflation, with the ECB getting more aggressive on inflation, with the Fed getting less aggressive on rate hikes, what is the dollar picking up on? Is this a corrective rally? It could just be a corrective rally, but if it's not, what drives the dollar is usually a fear. A fear is typically when there's a lot of fear, the dollar gets bought. The other thing that will drive the dollar is obviously going to be rate hikes, but they go hand in hand with fear in the equity market. So this is a little concerning. We've taken back 53. Bulls have stepped back in. So if we start breaking out above this like 107, 108 level, then we could have another high on our hand. I do think that we are close to putting in a pretty long-term top. I've talked about this before, this 45-degree line from 2008. We touched it perfectly and fell back, but it's going at a 45-degree angle. So we could make a marginal. We could make another run at it and test it again, maybe at 109, 110. Before coming back down, but that would also put pressure on equities as well as crypto. The thing about crypto and DXY, the dollar index, it's not a perfect correlation. They don't bottom and top on the same days, as long as it's like kind of a low volume, low momentum uptrend, I don't think it's anything to get too concerned about, but it would put pressure on equities over the short term.